is when the ducks and all them come up out of the pond, and there's a lot of, they do a lot of pooping here on the ground. And so when it rains, the rain washes it down into the ground, and we all know worms love poop. So we're feeding the worms, and then the worms are, you know, gonna feed themselves to the chickens. Not only will this support the corn, it will also provide fertilizer for the corn because it already has chicken manure and duck manure and all that and geese manure in it, and then it rains and it goes down in. So really you got your natural tea compost also. So we're going to gather all this up and mound it around the corn right now. I didn't get my corn in time. Usually I mound up at the bottom of it with wood chips. So we had a windstorm that come through and kind of blew some of them down, so we're going to come in here and try to fix it. Will help fertilize the corn as the growing season goes on. As it rains, all the nutrients will go soak right down into the ground. Nice thing about these wood chips here is when they cut the tree down, there were still all the branches and the leaves, so the whole tree, other than the part that they saw up for wood, the trunk, is all in here. So I just lay it down on each side. It helps supports the corn. The wood chips, they can also help like aerate the soil because they're in chunks, and it also keeps the moisture in the soil. I will never have to water this corn bed.